Flash fill in Microsoft Excel is an Excel feature that automatically fills in data when it notices a particular pattern. That means you don't need a formula, you don't need a function, just type once and then type one particular command and then it will follow the pattern and fill up your table. For instance, in this table we have our full name listed here, but what we want to do is that we want to extract the first name to be in the first name and then this second name to be on the last name, and then later on we'll interchange it so that the last name will come before the first name. Now, so for us to get the first name from this full name, what we're going to do is that we're just going to type it and make sure we type in the correct word here. So if we come over here and just type John and come over here and type Smith, maintaining the same spelling the way it is, what you just have to do when you come over to this next row is just click on Ctrl E and then it will fill everything with the first letter, as you can see here, James for James, William for William. Then when you come over to this place that has Smith, which is the second name, you can come over here and also click on Ctrl E and then it follows the same pattern and then it has separated the first name from the last name. Now in this column here you want the last name, which is Smith, to come and then separated by command before you seeing the first name. So all you just have to do is first of all just type the last name, this is Smith, then write your comma and then enter your first name, which is John, then hit enter. So for you to maintain this pattern down there, just come over here and then type on Ctrl E. Ctrl E will maintain it this pattern. As you can see, this one came as Brown Michael, Johnson David, and so on. Now this same autofill, this same flash fill recognizes patterns too, like it can separate numbers from letters. Okay, for instance, you come over here and you want to separate this number from this letter, right? So you just have to do is just type the letter in the column for letter, just type the letter, and the only letter in this place is just A and B, and then make sure you follow it the way it is. Then the numbers here is 4729. Then come over here and repeat the same command, which is Ctrl E. It will separate the letters, and come over here and write the command Ctrl E. It will also separate the numbers, leaving it like this. So the same thing applies over here. Here you just want to isolate names from the email, only those that has name. Alright, so this one here, if you notice, this one just has mason.read@examples.com. so I'll just type in just the Mason, hit enter, then come over here and then type my Ctrl E, and that is it. So that is how to do a flash fill in Microsoft Excel. I hope you learned something from this video. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel.